So, ito yung house and lot. This is 250 square meter. Meron siyang 4.5 na setback. Ayan. So, papasok tayo dyan. So, ito yung road. Ayun yung road papuntang main road. Yung area na yun may subdivision din doon. So, we go inside. Ayan. Ano lang to, 1 story. Ayan. Diyan yung magiging kitchen area. Pero ito palagyan din ng loft. So, this is a 2-bedroom. Ito yung small room. Dito yung toilet and bath niya sa labas. Tapos ito yung master bedroom. May sarili siyang toilet and bath. And from here, kita natin yung dagat.
Ganito lang siya, nakikita niyo po yung
So, ito naman yung maid's room. Maid's room, tapos meron siyang toilet. Okay. Ito yung back. Dirty kitchen.